Hello, and welcome to McGraw-Hill Medical. Create your own virtual dissection lab using AccessMedicine and AccessPhysiotherapy. Together, AccessMedicine and AccessPhysiotherapy combine to create a comprehensive, high-quality virtual anatomy learning experience that engages students with interactive content and full digital dissection. You will first need to log in or create a MyAccess profile. In the upper right-hand corner, select the box that says Sign In, and this will save your content and enable you to work within the modules. AccessMedicine includes male and female human anatomy modules that allow for complete visualization of the human body in an interactive 3D format. Interactive anatomy labels help students understand spatial relationships in the body. Each system is fully segmented, labeled, and dissectable for easy configuration to meet any educational need. Human anatomy tours guide learners through body systems, explaining structure and function to help reinforce knowledge retention. We have detailed training videos for human anatomy modules and the human anatomy tours on our Access User Center. Simply click on Support in the black toolbar, go to User Resources, and then in this Access User Center search bar, type in Human Anatomy Modules. And here you see the tutorial. AccessMedicine also has more than 400 anatomy and neuroanatomy Q&As under the Review Questions tab here under Study Tools. And each Q&A has rationale, which helps students to study and retain knowledge. Basic science anatomy and neuroanatomy topics are integrated with clinical medicine cases, and they come complete with Q&A to assess your knowledge. AccessPhysiotherapy includes Anatomy and Physiology Revealed under the Multimedia tab. This is a unique interactive dissection experience that uses multimedia to help students explore human anatomy and cadaver specimens to master physiology concepts through animations. Students can perform digital dissections and study anytime, anywhere. Under the Books tab at the top, under the name Access Physiotherapy, select Anatomy Dissection in the left-hand column. This is the photographic dissector for students of physical therapy, and it's a step-by-step approach that's been specifically modeled to follow the curriculum of Doctor of Physical Therapy programs. It features clinical descriptions common to the Doctor of Physical Therapy that bring to life the anatomical structures and provide meaning to the laboratory work, also while inspiring diagnostic thinking about structure and function. Also under the Books tab, we have the General Anatomy tab. And when you select that, you will find a couple of very interesting and applicable books. The first one is The Big Picture Gross Anatomy. And this allows students to understand the macro picture of human anatomy in the context of healthcare through informative illustrations and narrative text. The other one I want to call your attention to is Clinical Anatomy, and this is a case study approach that promotes the integration of basic anatomy with clinical findings in the context of specific patient conditions. Each case presents a comprehensive approach to understanding anatomy and includes patient presentation, clinical problems, relevant anatomy, clinical reasoning, diagnosis, and review questions. So this is going to be a more advanced text. Under our Study Tools tab, we have review questions available. Students can increase knowledge retention and facilitate recall with more than 500 self-review anatomy and neuroanatomy questions and answers that come complete with rationale. I would like to point out that the Big Picture Gross Anatomy and the Clinical Neuroanatomy books, questions, and cases can all be found on both Access Medicine and Access Physiotherapy. We look forward to partnering with you in the creation of your virtual anatomy course and dissection lab. Thank you so much for listening.